Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatever part of the day you're in right now. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. So this is going to be a similar video that I've done in the past. Judging by the title, you guys already know really what it is. When I got these wheels, they were kind of curb rashed. They were a little faded. The clear coat was a little faded on the RPF1s. And they really did need a refresh. I just didn't really get around to it until right now. So in today's video, we are going to head over to the old Home Depot, pick up some supplies. We're gonna do it a little differently this time. Normally I just kind of spray and pray, basically. Spray and pray and hope that the paint sticks. This time around, we are going to sand, prime, paint, and clear coat because these are some of the more nicer wheels that I've ever had before. So I want to try a little bit. I've also got some new Enkei logos to throw on the wheels as well. So they're going to look pretty different by the end of this video. So stick around, stay tuned, let's paint some wheels. Alright, and we are back in the garage. Sorry all the clips at Home Depot were really short. I think there's only one. I totally forgot to record anything. So the substance of that video part is non-existent, but I'm not gonna, fool you guys much. I'm sure you may know what color I want to paint the wheels. If you don't, there were 3 options that I had on my Instagram account. So if you're not already, be sure you follow my Instagram. The account is right here. So go follow me on Instagram and you can get insider knowledge on projects and things like that. So I've got everything that we need right here. If you guys don't have these bins, I have 3 of them so far and now I've got 4. These bins from Home Depot truly are like super nice. They're only like $9 for the 17-gallon one, I think. I think that's the size that I buy. Yeah, 17-gallon. They're only like $9. So definitely go pick some up. So as you can see in here, I've got some new shop towels, spray bottle, and I picked up quite a bit of paint, clear coat, primer, and paint right here. So this is what we're going to be painting the wheels. I wanted to stick to an OEM Enkei color. So I kind of had choices between repainting them silver, painting them black, painting them white, and painting them gold. And I've already had a set of gold wheels, so I didn't really want to do that again. And I thought about white, but these brake pads that I've got, I washed these wheels just a few days ago, and the brake dust is just so bad that I didn't want to do white because they would be so dirty all the time. So basically what we're gonna do is I'm going to jack up the car, get all 4 wheels off. You've seen probably all of this before, so I'm gonna time lapse a lot of it. Gonna get the wheels off, and I'm going to prep them, clean them, sand them, mask them off, and do some painting. So sit back, relax, let's jump into the time lapse. So all the wheels are sanded, they're ready to be primed, they just need to be wiped down, blowing all the dust off. These front 2 tires and wheels were super dirty and they were in much worse shape than the rears. So these were pretty easy. These ones took a lot more work and I'm kind of beat. I really hate sanding so much, but I'm glad it's done. Now we can get on to the fun part and start painting. So I'm going to get these prepped, and we're probably just gonna jump right to priming. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I'm super excited to get this done. It's already like 10:30, so I'm probably gonna be up pretty late tonight. So yeah, stay excited. Let's keep rocking.
All right, well, hopefully you can hear me. It's very fumy in here, and I don't want to get my lungs full of spray paint. So I just put on another coat of black paint We're about on our third now. I'm going pretty heavy at this point, and it's like midnight, so I'm pretty tired. I want to put on the clear coat and then go to sleep and wake up tomorrow and put them on the car. But I'm going to show you guys what they look like right now. So here they are after about 3 coats. I had a few imperfections that I've just been kind of filling in. Hard to tell exactly, but there's little kind of fish eyes in parts of it, but they're filling in fine, so they'll go away. But they're looking really glossy and nice. I'm happy with how they've turned out so far, and I'm just going to keep putting on a couple more coats of black paint. I got to do the inner barrel still, and then we can put clear on, and then I'm going to, you know, wake up the next day and continue putting them on, I guess. Alright, so I just put on more coats. I don't think I can stay up any longer. I'm really tired, and everything is just really wet. So when I tried to move the wheels to do the inner barrels, I got a few runs, and that's fine, that's to be expected. I'm just gonna let these sit overnight and dry really well, and then wake up the next morning tomorrow and clean up any of the runs. Probably put one more coat of black paint on it, and then we'll do the clear. Then we'll be done. So I'll see you guys in 1 second, or hopefully I get 8 hours of sleep tonight.
6.5 hours later.
All right, guys, it is day 2 here out in the paint shop now. That is my garage. It smells terrible, and there's just trash everywhere, and a lot of cleaning to do when this is all over. But I will say, after sleeping on it and coming back and taking a look, I think that these wheels look pretty good. I do have to fix a few little spots, and this one still needs the barrel done. After I did this one and I saw all the runs after tipping them over to do the inner barrels, I just stopped and I let it dry pretty completely. So they're really nice and smooth now. They've got a nice gloss. There's no clear coat on it yet either, so keep that in mind. Just little imperfections. It's like a little rough right here and kind of around here. I don't know if you can tell, but you can definitely see there's some running right there. So I'm gonna do a little bit of sanding there, just to kind of smooth that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna spray one more coat of black on everything. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the inner barrel on this first, so I don't have to tip it over again. And then we should be done. Let the wheels dry for about an hour, and they're pretty good now. They're dry, and clear coat is ready to go on. I'm pretty happy with the finish on these. I got most of the runs out, at least sanded them down to be way less noticeable, and just did a quick respray on top. So the finish is looking good. Pretty happy with how that's come out. There's not a ton of orange peel, but I'm not expecting perfection here. So what I'm gonna do next is throw some clear coat on these, probably a few coats of that, and then we'll be able to put on a special little thing I got in the mail today. So the final coat of clear coat is on. The wheels look great, everything is nice and glossy. So I'm just gonna let this dry, and then I'll go ahead and show you what we have to put on the wheels next. I really wanted to add some OEM kind of style touches to these wheels, and since the RPF1s come with a Enkei sticker, I had to order some new ones. And I got these in red because I think they'll go nice with the black, so it'll be a cool little addition to the wheels, kind of accent them and show them off a little bit. But as you can see, everything's looking great. Once we get the stickers on, we gotta let this dry first pretty well, so I'm gonna probably wait like 30 minutes. Let these dry, put the stickers on, and we can throw them back on the car. All right, so at this point, everything is dry and smooth to the touch. I'm pretty happy with how these turned out. I was a little worried there for a minute because of all the runs and stuff, but you really can't notice them. I don't even remember where the runs are, but if you look hard enough, you can find them. But I mean, you gotta get like up close and look. So I'm really happy with the finish and the way these came out. They look like factory paint, which I'm kind of surprised about, to be honest, considering it's just spray paint. But I guess if you do the prep work and take your time, it turns out pretty well. So now we're gonna jump down and install our decals. I want to get a reference picture of where they're supposed to go exactly so I can like keep them looking as accurate as possible. So we need to cut these out and we're gonna stick them on, and I'm gonna do one wheel and then I'll do all the other ones and then throw them back on the car. In my reference picture, I have pictures of my wheels the way they were. They do one decal here and then one here, so kind of lined up with these larger open spokes right here. So do one there and one there. And I need to cut them out. So cut these out, place them down, peel them off, and we should be done. Took a while, but we're done now. So here are the wheels, stickers and all. They all went on really easily. I got these off eBay if anyone is wondering, and I think they turned out pretty well. They're nice red and the logos are pretty spot on. So basically we've got fresh RPF1s here in black, and I'm excited to get them on the car. So I'm going to take all four, bolt them back up onto the car, and then we'll wrap this video up from there. All right guys, so right behind me is the car with the new refreshed wheels on, and I'm pretty excited with how they look. It's taken multiple days. I'm finishing this late Saturday. I'm super tired. I'm gonna go in and edit this video, but I'm just glad that it's all done, and I'm hoping you guys are as excited as I am. So here is the car with the black wheels. It's kind of a throwback to the first set of wheels I had on the car, which were painted black as well. The RPF ones with the red logos and everything. I was worried that the brake caliper would kind of like blend in, and it does, but the silver rotor by itself is pretty cool, I think. Altogether, the car looks a little bit more cohesive instead of with the silver wheels, and I like the silver wheels, but they really needed a refresh. So here it is, guys. Get a good look. There it is right there. All right, let's close out this video. So thanks so much for watching. If you are new to the channel and this is the very first video you've seen, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button. Love to have you as a subscriber on the channel as we work our way towards 2,500 subscribers. If you like car content, Miata content, driving, all that, you'll probably enjoy what's on my channel. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Be sure you hit that thumbs up button, leave your comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.